Shad Nongkrem is celebrated in Meghalaya to appease the all-powerful goddess Ka Blei Synshar in the hope of gaining a bountiful harvest and prosperity. The ritualistic ceremony at the Shad Nongkrem is performed by the Syiem or king of the province or Hima Khyrim and the high priest at the premises of Iingsad at Smit. A cock or goat is sacrificed as an obligation to Lei Shyllong, the God of Shillong Peak. An integral part of the event is the Pomblang or goat sacrifice, which is an offering that is presented to the ruling clan's ancestor and ancestress. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, had graced the occasion as chief guest in the presence of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker Medba Lingdo, the PHE Minister Government of Meghalaya Renington L. Tongkhar, the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Tito Starwell Khan, the MLA of Maurangkaneng, Penyat Singh Syiem, the Chief Justice of the Shillong Bench of the Guwahati High Court, Sanjeev Banerjee, other government officials besides others. The Meghalaya Chief Minister had also handed over the sanction order to the Syiem of Hima Khyrim, Paem Balajit Singh Syiem, of rupees 1 crore out of the total rupees 2 crore sanctioned to the Darbar Hima Khyrim for the Nongkrem dance and for the upgradation of the infrastructure in the vicinity of the Iingsad. Addressing the gathering, Conrad Sangma greeted the people of Meghalaya on the auspicious occasion. Referring to the particular event which has been taking place since time immemorial, Sangma said that it is but important to celebrate, preserve and promote the culture through such festivals.
Minister Sri Conrad K. Sangma to hand over the check to our Honorable Dr. Balajit Singh Syiem. We are honored, sir, to have you.
First of all, I take this opportunity to wish each and every one on this very, very auspicious and very important festival of the state. And I also would like to thank the organizing committee for having invited us to be part of this very, very important festival. These festivals and our culture is what gives us our identity. This is what makes us unique and makes us who we are. And hence, we must always ensure that our culture is preserved, is protected, and is always promoted. And hence, I'm very happy to see that the Shad Nongkrem and the festival that we're having for the past few days has been a tradition which has been maintained and kept for many, many years and decades. And I'm very happy to see that we have not lost touch with our culture and with our roots. And I encourage that not just in the Shad Nongkrem, but in all the festivals of all the different tribes of our state, we must strive to ensure that we maintain our identity.
On this occasion of Shad Nongkrem, I would like to give my best wishes to all the citizens of our state. Our traditions and our culture is what our identity is, and it is what makes us unique. And hence, protecting, preserving and promoting our culture and our different festivals is something that we all should strive to do. And as a government, we have been supporting all the different festivals and supporting different programs that have been there. Today also in this Shad Nongkrem program, the infrastructure so that it can be improved in the long run. We have sanctioned 2 crores in the first phase, and I've handed over the sanction letter to our Papaim and of Khyrim.
every home be blessed. For all be peace within ourselves and with each other, especially in the mental realm and mostly in our inner rest to connect with the divine. As the chief of Meghalaya, I welcome you, sir. Our honorable chief minister,